guys, it's Gretchen, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, it is that time of the month again. As you can tell by the title of this video, it is time for my April Stitch Fix. Now, before I get too far into this video, I do want to say that if this first little section looks different than the rest of the video, it's because my dumbass didn't realize that the first part of this video didn't record until I started to edit the video. So I have to redo this section of the video, which is only, I think it went to like one clothing item. So if this for some reason looks a little bit different, or if I look a little bit different than the rest of the video, that's why. Sorry for that disclaimer. But yes, it is time for the April Stitch Fix. This is an interesting fix. It is fix number 25 for me. It's also the first one in a while where I'm not keeping everything. Yeah, I know. This month, my stylist did amazing. She followed my specifications of what I wanted, but just some things didn't fly for me. So this month, Amba D sent me a pair of jeans, a pair of shorts, a dress, a sleeveless top, and an off-the-shoulder top. I'm only keeping 2 items. It's very sad for me not to keep everything, but also my wallet is happy. So there's that. So starting this Stitch Fix video, I'm going to show you the 2 items I'm keeping first, and then I will show you the 3 items that I'm not keeping. There's nothing wrong with those 3 items. They're just not me, or there's a specific reason why I'm not keeping them. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into this first item. So the first item that I am keeping is the dress. This dress is by Spruce, which I adore, and it is the copper knit dress. It is in the color navy, even though it's navy and red. I don't know why they always just seem to pick one color, but whatever. It is an extra small. I will say this one is a little bit more snug. I probably could have gotten away with a small, but I'll just wear some Spanx with it and it'll be fine. And it is $68, which for a nice dress isn't bad. If you've watched my Stitch Fix videos before, you know I love Spruce. Fairly certain this dress I have on right now is a Spruce one. So I always get excited when I get something from them. So this dress, I love the colors. First of all, navy and red are such a summery color combo. Very nautical. I love the neckline. I don't normally like these kind of sleeves because I've never really been happy with my arms before, like the whole cap sleeve thing. But I actually like how my arms are looking these days, thanks to personal training. So I'm pretty happy with it. So this dress, as you can see, it's got some horizontal stripes followed by some vertical ones. This dress is fun in the back because it's got like a little cutout here and it crosses in the back like so. It's just a very cute dress. It is relatively flowy, not like whoosh kind of flowy. I don't know what that was. It's flowy, but also not extremely flowy. Does that make any kind of sense? Probably not. As I mentioned, it is a little bit snug, even though it does have good elasticity to it. It's still very form-fitting. I don't mind form-fitting things, but I do think I may have to wear Spanx with these just to make sure that everything looks smooth underneath, because despite the fact that I'm a size 2/4, depending on what I'm wearing, I still have a lot of loose skin that gets a little odd looking. So Spanx help, as does a waist trainer. I will say this fabric is a little bit heavier than normal. Like it's very, very heavy compared to like this dress that I have on. I don't think that would change too much about wearing it in the spring or summer. But just if you fall in love with this dress like I did, just know that the fabric is a little bit heavier than normal like springtime dresses. Again, does that make any sense? But yeah, so I am keeping this one. I love the color combination. Like that was the first thing that got me. Cause like I always say, I cheat when I know my fix is on its way and I look to see what I'm getting. So I had no idea that it had like the little fun cut out in the back that exposes my back. So I went off of like the color and the pattern alone. But yeah, I'm really excited for this dress and can't wait to wear it. All right, so now we're gonna get into the rest of the video that recorded for whatever reason, and I don't know why this part didn't. So if I look different, if the lighting outside looks different, I mean, I know my hair looks different because it's humid as all get out today. Okay, next clip. The next item I'm keeping is the sleeveless top. This is by Liz. I always pronounce it wrong. I do have items by that company and I love it. This is the Parsons mixed material knit top. It is in dark gray and a size extra small. Okay, so I love yellow. I didn't think yellow ever looked good on me, but apparently it looks pretty decent on me. So I love the back of this. It is like a racerback sleeveless top. which I really like. I had asked for this month, what did I ask for? I asked for like lightweight clothing because I'm going to 2 music festivals in May. I wasn't sure if I was gonna get my Stitch Fix box before them. I do think I'm gonna get the box before one of them, but not before the first one. So I was like, send me some lightweight things to wear. And so I got this one. I love this because it is very lightweight. You know, this material down here is a little bit heavier. This material up here is very, very lightweight. It's almost sheer if you get up close to it, but I do like how, you know, you've got stripes for the main part, but then you've got kind of like a, not necessarily like a paisley print, but going into that realm. But this is gonna be great for those music festivals as well as concerts. So I'm very excited about this one. And I don't think I said the price, but it is $34, which, you know, for a Stitch Fix sleeveless top, that's pretty good. So I'm very excited about this. And I just think it looks really nice on as well. So this is the other one that I am keeping. The lines on here are dark gray. They may look black, I don't know, camera makes things wonky. I need a big monitor over there like all the YouTubers have so I can see what things look like. It is dark gray. I love dark gray and yellow. Such a good color combination. So that is the other item that I'm keeping. Like I said, these are the only 2 items I'm keeping this month. We'll come back to the price on the 2 of them together once I finish everything else. All right, so now for the items that I'm not keeping. I do have a reason for each one. Don't worry, I'll make sure to mention them. First item I'm not keeping are these black shorts. They are by Dear John, which I love Dear John. I do have like, I think I have 1 pair of jeans and like a pair of shorts by them already. This is the Finnegan short, which I'm fairly certain I have the same short, but like in a different color. These are black, these are size 4. It does say 27 on there. I am roughly a size 2 in shorts now, so I really need to go update my style profile, apparently. But yeah, there is nothing wrong with these shorts. I would absolutely keep them other than the size. I may have to send them back. If I was gonna keep them, I would send them back for a different size. The reason why I'm not keeping them is A, $58, and I just bought a pair of black shorts very similar to this from Old Navy for $29.99. So there's a little bit of a price difference there. I already have a pair of black shorts that are size 2s, so they actually fit really well. I really like these shorts. It makes me sad to send them back, but I mean, they look good on, but I already have a pair of black shorts. I don't need multiples, especially when these sizes aren't quite right. But again, that's my fault because I haven't changed my style profile. So I will be sending these back, but if you're looking for a good pair of black shorts and you haven't gone to Old Navy, these Dear John ones are really nice. The next item I'm not keeping is a pair of jeans. Now, there are aspects of these jeans that I absolutely love. However, there is one aspect that I cannot get past. But these are by Judy Blue. They are the Peter skinny jeans in size 4, and they retail for $58, which for a pair of jeans is pretty good. Now, I love the distressing. They've got some really awesome distressing. However, there is one part of these jeans that I just cannot stand. The raw hem at the ankles. I cannot stand raw hem. Some people can pull it off and it looks really cute. I just don't like it. So yeah, that is my main holdup right there, or the raw hem look. I don't even know what to say about it. These are really soft jeans. My stylist always sends me the softest clothing ever, and so this makes me sad, but I just don't like that raw hem. But if you do and you like the distressing, like I said, this is the Judy Blue. They are mid-rise. They are also straight fit. So not quite as skinny as skin, even though it says skinny jean, Peter skinny jean. Like, you can tell that they're not quite full skinny. They're more of a straight fit until you get down to the ankle. But yeah, so if that's your thing, you might really like this. If it wasn't for the raw hem, I'd like this a whole lot more. And the final item I am not keeping is an off-the-shoulder top, which really pains me to say because I love off-the-shoulder tops. But this one is by Skies Are Blue, which I have quite a few items by them that I absolutely adore, and it is the Terry Embroidered off-the-shoulder top. Now, the reason why I'm not keeping this one, because it's very, like, I don't know, it makes me feel boxy. This is an extra small, but when it's on, it looks really big, and it doesn't move as well as I would like. The material is a little bit different than I normally would gravitate towards. I like the colors a lot. I do like the embroidery up here, but it's just very boxy on me, and I just Ugh. I don't want things to be boxy. I don't want things necessarily to be like skin tight against me. I mean, some things are great skin tight, but not everything, especially for like every day. But this was boxy, and I was not a fan. It does have short sleeves. It is off the shoulder. Got a lot of stretch right here. Like I said, this is an extra small and it retails for $54. I don't like the boxy look to it. So unfortunately, it will be going back. So since I'm not keeping everything, I don't get the 25% off discount, which is sad, but whatever. I saved some money still. So the dress is $68 and the sleeveless top is $34. So my grand total comes to $102. That's a lot for 2 items, but I still like both of those items, so I'm gonna pay it. The grand total was $272. If I'd gotten all 5 items, it would have taken off $68, which would have brought me to $204. So for $100 more, I could keep everything, but I'm not gonna fork out another $100 for 3 items that I really am not happy with. So yeah, I'm only gonna keep those 2. Let me know in the comments below what items you liked the most, what items you liked the least. Maybe these pieces of clothing work for some people. They just didn't work for me, especially that raw hem on the jeans. I just can't get past that. But that is it for this Stitch Fix unboxing. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go on down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I don't know. Even though I do, this is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.